Going that bit?
Yeah. It goes on for miles, eh?
It's got electric in it. There's a light bulb.
Eh?
It's got electric in it because there's a light bulb attached. Urban Exploring 101. Don't wash it, please. Nice little ladder.
Oh, I need to switch over here. We need to go in some of these rooms. There's stuff in here.
Okay.
Would you want to film it?
No, I've got one.
It's full machines.
Yeah.
Coming off one of the pens. Well, not a clue what this room is, but little hidden gems everywhere. Gate room full of
Which one you're in, left or right?
some sort of taps or something going on in here. Some big old weight. Don't know what this tanker was for, but it had electric supplied to it. It's got a big heavy electric cable that was once on it. Right, it'll be interesting to see what's on top of this behind us. I'll see that in a moment, please.
Yeah.
Completely empty metal big tank. Take a picture while I'm up here.
It's like a big water pump, innit? From
Look, what you see them big metal like whatever they are on the floor?
yeah.
It's got one of them on top of the powering, whatever it used to be.
Yeah.
These things. That's definitely like a big blower.
Right.
Lighting, that's a blower.
Might be a turbo.
Yeah. Is it your camera safe?
Yeah, it's this way. car doors in this side.
So what, sorry?
Doors. Vehicle doors.
Ooh. Helps. A bit alright. Well, I bet no one's got an idea what they're all off. Take some photos. Oh, it's one of the strangest places I've actually ever been into.
Car seats.
It's just got everything's left in.
Some kind of barn. Another one of them tanks. Someone's put ladders there to have a look as well.
Bring a bit further on.
Got a pulley system.
That's what I thought. Did you see the wooden doors on the other side?
Yeah. Don't know what these sacks are cooking in white shoes.
I'd line or something in it. But I've seen all these like I think metal pulley wheels in that.
Yeah.
Chewing its way through. Have you been through that?
Which way?
In this one? Goes round tanks and that. Right. Yeah. Wow. What now? The electric's still on? Yes. What, the satin one?
Yes, it's interior wood and metal.
What, it'll do walls and so that is still live?
Yeah.
Power's on?
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah.
So where's that power cable go? Leading down here, Dev? Shine light on it.
Is it?
No, this is all okay, bro.
That's fine, alright then.
Look, can you see now?
Just into the ground.
Yes.
Power's still on to this
Get
place.
that droppings there.
You're alright there, going with chest infection, aren't you? That's really got common sense.
Power's on and all. Alright.
Alright then.
Bye.
Bye.
Power is on.
Yeah. Because that's heavy duty cable. That's worth a fucking fortune. Is this metal or pop?
What?
Just a trough in it. Another shotgun shell.
It's weird, the power's on.
It's weird that the shotgun shells in it and all. Where does that power cable just like go to?
That goes to note that. Other ends no.
Well, seems to just go on forever and ever and ever. Some old pig pens or horse pens.
Big pen.